Okay, so this is Green Inspired Living. Happy Thursday, and I'm getting ready to make a green juice. All right, so I got that one going. So let me just get the rest going. This is gonna be the spinach. Work them back and forth, but this is the juice that I made. I hope you enjoy it. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will be coming back with more juices and more about green inspired living. Thank you. You have a great and wonderful day. Like or thumbs up, and you have a safe and blessed day, and take care of your health. It's God's temple. Take care of your health and have a great and wonderful day. Peace out.